bobby bun. Take the hair, divide it into 3 parts, and then divide it and then begin to braid it as such. As you begin to braid the hair, tie a rubber band at the end of it. Once you do so, roll it upwards into a bun and then wrap it up. Then use a multiple prong decorative pin or a decorative clip in general and then pin it up in place. Tie a ponytail out of the hair, twist this hair, and then use a multiple prong pin in order to fasten it in its place. It should be decorative in nature to make it look all the more better. Push it through the side as such. After you have pushed it through the side, tie a rubber band at the end of the hair at the top as such. Make it into a bun, spread it out slightly, push it downwards. Use a bobby pin in order to fasten it in its place. Next, use a multi-level clip at the back as such. Afterwards, take a section from the left side, twist it, and then insert it into the right side layer of the clip. After this, take another section of the hair from the left side, twist it, and this time insert it into the left side of the clip. You may either insert it on the left side or the middle layer of the clip. Next, take another section from the left side, and then twist it, insert it into the left layer of the clip. After this, take another clip of similar nature, insert it right underneath it. This time, take sections of the hair from the right side, twist each of these sections, and then insert it into the different layers of each of the sections of the clip. First, we have started from the left side, then we move on to the middle layer of the clip, and then we move on to the rightmost layer. Before you insert them, make sure that you twist them properly before you do so. Take 2 sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back. Taking the section, add a rubber band at the end of it. Then roll the hair in on itself as such. After this, bring it through the top. Once you bring it through the top, gather it together as such and then make 2 divisions out of the hair, and then afterwards begin to braid these divisions. Now loosen either side of the braid as such. Tie a rubber band at the end of it. Once you are done with this, move on to the other side of the hair, divide it into 3 parts, and then loosen either side of it. Continue to do this until you reach the base, then tie a rubber band to it. Once you are done with this is what it should look like. Now take the right side braid, twist it and lift it upwards, and then use a bobby pin in order to fasten it in its place. Take the left side, fold it over, and then pin it up in place using a bobby pin once again. Thank you for watching.